Okay, so hi guys, this video will be on a squeeze toy, and I found it in my room just now when I was packing. And when I was young, like 4 years old, I went to Japan, and I remember my mom bought me a capsule, but I'm not sure what's inside. But then I saw this thingy in my room, and it was a squeeze toy. This squeeze toy is what I bought at Japan. I'm like so lucky. Yeah, it's the caterpillar version. Okay, so I'm gonna pop it open. Okay. Okay, sorry, I'm using one hand, right? Okay, so I'll show you guys the pamphlet first. Okay, so this is the caterpillar squeeze toy. The paper is like quite crumpled. Yeah. Okay, here will be the bright lighting. Yep, so this is the caterpillar squeeze toy. And recently I just purchased one for my cousin. Yeah, so there's this pink one, this tiger one, this melon one, this chocolate filling one, this one with worms, and this one the catfish one, and this mystery one. Yeah, I'm like so lucky. I found a squeeze toy in my room. So I'll show you guys the squeeze toy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the squeeze toy, and I think it's the cover page one. And yeah, you see, the packaging is like quite dirty. No, it's quite dusty. Okay, so you squeeze out like this. You stuck it in. Yeah. So I got this one. Yeah, I'm so happy. Yeah, and I'm packing my squishy, so it's like quite messy. Oh yeah, my DS. Yeah, this thing. Yep, so yeah, it comes in like this. This is a set. And I remember my sister bought one too, and she also found it just now in her room. So yeah. Not my sister, sorry, my cousin. Okay, so thank you. Bye.